Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the ultimate mask makeup that I do. I've been getting a lot of questions on how I wear my makeup under my mask. I wanted to take you step by step of how I do my makeup for my mask. Okay, now this is a drugstore version and I'll be bringing you a part 2 on this with a high-end version. So if you don't want to break your bank, then keep on watching and stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe, like, comment. I need to do this more often, but yes. So let's turn into this. And okay, peep my new hair. I'm Blossom from Powerpuff Girl. Do you like it? I'm in love. I've just been having fun with my hair and taking risks and doing new looks. So stay tuned for new makeup looks for my hair too. Okay, now let's get started. Bye! Now for mask makeups, I typically prime because I don't want it to slip and go on the the mask. And because I have oily skin, I use this E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. This is really good to prime your face. It's not really that sticky, but it helps with my oil control because I'm so oily. Also, like I said, since we're wearing masks, I don't do a heavy makeup. Since this is a drugstore makeup tutorial, I'll be using the E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in Tan Walnut. Tan Walnut. Volcano Growing. I'm taking the most minimal amount. It's more like spot concealing. So I don't blend it right away. I just leave it for a few minutes or so to let it dry and have it more full coverage. And before I blend it out, I'm just gonna take the Hydrating Camo Concealer in Tan Walnut and just prime my eyes. I think priming really helps with the longevity of your eyeshadow or eye makeup during the hot days. For mask makeup, I go in a bit heavier on the eyes since I'm not doing heavy makeup on the other parts of my face. I want my eyes to pop. Now I'm gonna blend the concealer, gently tap on it. Don't slide it, gently tap. This way you're gonna still be covered. This type of makeup takes a bit longer than my usual makeup because this needs a lot of precision and patience because you really want the seamless blended look and you want it to stay on your face. So I take more time in blending and really tapping it in my skin. I'm breaking out a lot around my lips because of the mask, and it's so hot that I get sweaty underneath the mask so quickly. For blemishes like this, it's easier to take a concealer brush and just blend the edges. See? This is what I mean by you need more patience and precision. You would want to go with a light layer first and add it as you need. Now, usually I would go in with the loose powder and bake if I have a whole full face, but I think that compact powders help better with the longevity of it all because it really locks in your base products. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and lock in those places that you get oily. Now I'm going to set my face. Make note that I'm going to be setting my face all throughout this video. This is the Morphe Set and Refresh Mist by Morphe and Jeffree Stars. On to the brows. I'll be right back with my brows because there's nothing new. I'm using my trusty E.L.F. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I'm back with my brows, and before I go into my eye makeup, I'm not gonna forget, I am going to be curling my lashes and priming my lashes before I go into eyeshadow. So I've been on to double curling my lashes. So I curl my lashes before my eye makeup and prime it, and then I curl it again when I have to do my mascara. This way it really stays up and curled, and it looks like I have lashes on. I think for mask makeup, it's really important to know which part of your face you want to focus your makeup on, because masks cover a lot, like this much of your face. So for me, it only makes sense to go kind of hard and glam on the eyes. For my eyes today, I'll be using the E.L.F. Retro Paradise 18-piece eyeshadow palette. This has all your everyday colors and your crazy wherever you want to wear colors. I'll be taking the Dijon shade. Putting it all over my eyelids. Mind that this is super affordable, so there's not intense pigmentation the first layer, but you do have to work it and pack it on, which I really don't mind. It's not patchy or anything, it's just that you have to pack it on, work it on, whichever term you want to use. Kind of want to use blue or purple. This is my normal makeup, so I'll do my normal makeup look. So I'm going into Sandy Bum and going into the outer corner of my eyes and really adding that definition. I always like to blend as I go. Okay. Definition, but I'm going to add more definition. I'll be taking the cacao shade, giving me a bit more darkness. Okay, now in with some color. I'm going to be going into Fortuna with my fingers. That has no pigmentation. What the heck? Okay, let me try again. You see it? It's lackluster. I think if you wet your brush and really dig into it, then it'll look amazing. Okay, to add a little bit of fun to this makeup, I'm going to go into Rise and Shine, this gold shade, put it in the front third and my inner corner highlight. Ooh, this one's really pigmented. I've been really into the inner corner highlight and making it a color. Now, for liner, I'll be taking my trusty NYX retractable eyeliner. Honestly, guys, I don't use any other eyeliner than this. High-end drugstore, this is the best. So the look that I've been going in with my eyeliner is a thicker but shorter eyeliner shape. For monolids like me, that really opens up my eyes and shapes it very well. This is the best guideline to the most, sharp, edgy eyeliner. Draw your guide first and fill it in. The difference between this eye and this eye. See how open it looks? Now, like I said before, I'm going to be curling my lashes again. Dust away any fallouts you might have. I'm going in with the Essence Princess Lash. This is the False Lash Effect Mascara in waterproof. For my blush, I would normally go in with a cream blush, but I don't have a Drugstore cream blush. So I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. Not too much, just enough to give me a cheeky, rosy vibe. For bronzer, my favorite right now is the Revlon Skin Lights bronzer. It's in the shade Sunlit Glow 110. I'm going to go in my forehead. This is your go-to glowy, bronzy product, not too orange. Just like that, not too much. And I'm gonna take a bit of this and contour. This has a glowy, like, it doesn't have glitters in it, but it is shimmery. I think it doesn't really bother me with the nose contour. For the lips, my go-to right now is the E.L.F. Paradise Lip Liner. Since we're wearing a mask, I just do a lip liner and kind of blot my lips. So line your lips, and oh my gosh, this Maybelline Gloss Lifter Gloss, perfect. So I'm only gonna take a small, like this, and dab it. With this lip gloss, it will go on your mask, but it will stay on your lips as well, because I only took a little bit of it and just like dabbed it. So my favorite go-to setting mist right now is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic I slurred it acid setting mist. So I'm just gonna spray a generous amount. Generous. And dry my face with a fan. Okay, now here's the trick for me. I go in with my setting powder again and just blot the areas that I get oily and the areas that you're gonna be covering with your mask, which is your cheeks and your nose. Okay. So this was my mask makeup, and this is the makeup that I do under my mask wherever I need to go. I want to look put together if I have a content day, if I want to hang out with my friends. I always want to do this type of makeup, more focus on the eyes, less on the face, so that you still look put together. I hope you guys liked it. This is a drugstore version, and I'll be back with a high-end version that I like. So yeah, this was it, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!